Guys, let's jump right into this video. I am doing my at-home quarantine wax for my underarms and my bikini line, and I'm using the Flamingo. Coming up, I'm going to show you what my underarm looks like. Yeah, it's not that bad, but I don't want it to look like that. And this is a before and after. So the packaging is pretty cute. When you open it up, 24 strips come inside. It gives you instructions. It gives you everything that you need for the kit, besides the things that I'm going to be using. So the first thing that I'm going to do is cut the strips in half. So you're going to need some scissors. You want to do this because you'll have a lot more control over the strip. The next thing you're going to do is, when it's time for you to pull this apart, you want to do it very slowly, just so that the wax on each side could be even, because you're going to use both those strips. Okay, now what you're going to do is carefully place it on your hair. Remember, when you are putting this on, you want to really hold on to your skin, like pulling your skin so that your skin is nice and tight. You don't want it to be flabby with lines and stuff in it. So when you rip it the opposite direction of your hair, the most hair is going to come off and it'll be a lot less painful, trust me. So as you see me waxing myself, I'm going to always be holding my skin wherever I'm waxing up really tight, and I'm going to be going in different directions of the way that my hair grows. So you know, you just have to really pay attention to the way you feel like your hair is going to grow. Also, they say that you can use each strip twice, so you don't want to just wax one and just, you know, get rid of it. Make sure you use it twice and rub it. Before you rip it off, you really want to put a lot of pressure on the wax when it's on your skin, and you want to focus it on the hair part. You don't want to focus it too much on your skin, but just really rub where you see your hair at, so that you know that you're pulling that off. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys where I got this from. I got these from Target. They're $10. My girlfriend actually told me about it, and I was like, it's quarantine, we have to do self-care. I'm waxy, and I'm hairy and I want to wax myself. I want to try it, and I feel like it turned out really good. Like, I know people want to know, does it hurt? Or, you know, it doesn't hurt to me that much. It's not painful to me. It's actually a lot less painful with me doing it myself than when I go to a professional. Other tool you'll need are tweezers, because just like if you get a wax at a professional, all the hairs don't usually come up, but like they usually tweeze some. So that's what I'm doing, just tweezing. Like, I probably had like 10 hairs left, and you know, I'm not a professional, so I'm just doing the best I can. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Then it comes with like this oil wipes to get all the sticky wax off of you, and it's going to be in a little blue pack, and you're going to just wipe yourself really good. Now what we all been waiting for, our bikini line. We're going to start on our bikini line. This is my before and after. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. It's quarantine. Okay, so you see me looking real jungleberry. But anyway, as we did before, we're going to open that very slowly, and we're going to cut the strips in half. So basically, you're going to follow what you did with your underarms. You're going to place it on the hair, wherever you want to wax at. You want to place it on the hair. You're going to rub, put a lot of pressure on where you're going to wax, and you're going to pull it the opposite way of your hair growth. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and let me know how it went when you tried it. When it came to this part, I didn't really, like I said, this is my first time doing it. I didn't really like the way I did the top part, like pulling it across. I actually started doing it another way, and you'll see and you know, it's going to be coming up, and that way works a lot better. This way, this is the best way, where most of the hair came up. The other way, a lot of the hair did not come up, so I wouldn't suggest. You could try it, but it didn't work for me. Another thing I did want to warn you guys about, you don't want to keep going over the same part too many times. Like, I wouldn't recommend going over the same part twice, I mean more than 3 times, because if it's on your skin, it could actually, you know, burn your skin or pull your skin off. After you're done, you're going to just use that same wipe and clean yourself off. Do the wax, you know, clean the wax off, because you're going to be very sticky. And I know my skin is looking red and irritated because it's been irritated. It'll look better the next day. The next day always looks better. So the last step is that you are going to get a wash rag and you're going to wash your underarms. Just wipe, you know, just wipe yourself, clean yourself up. What you don't want to do is put deodorant on. I use a deodorant that's natural. It doesn't have anything in it. And I made a mistake and did that, and it burnt so bad. And that is pretty much it, you guys. As you can see, that underarm, I did that underarm a few days before, and I did it real lazy. I was sitting on a couch. I'm actually going to insert a video and show you how I did it. I was just not really trying. I was just like, whatever, this is from Target, let me just see what it's going to do. And I was waxing on top of the same skin. I didn't cut it, I didn't focus it, I didn't hold my skin tight like you're supposed to do so it doesn't pull. Like, it just was a whole mess. Don't do it this way. And this is the outcome. You don't want that. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys what my bikini line looks like after about 10 days. It looks really good. I mean, for $10, you can't beat it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be back soon. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.